quaint village nestled between rolling hills, Mia, a young artist with a heart full of dreams, stumbled upon a meadow shimmering with tiny, flickering lights. Mesmerized by the dance of the fireflies, she followed their gentle glow into the heart of the forest. Among the trees, she encountered a mysterious figure, the Firefly Guardian, who shared tales of lost hopes and forgotten aspirations. Intrigued, Mia listened intently as the Guardian revealed that each firefly carried the light of courage and acceptance. The Guardian offered Mia a choice to keep the light for herself or release it back into the world. Faced with uncertainty and fear of the unknown, Mia hesitated. Through the night, she witnessed the struggles of the fireflies, their light dimming in moments of doubt and flickering brightly in times of bravery. As dawn approached, Mia made her decision. She gently released the fireflies, watching as they soared into the sky, painting it with hues of resilience and unity. In that moment, Mia understood the lesson the fireflies had taught her. True courage comes from letting go and allowing one's light to shine, illuminating not only the path ahead, but also the hearts of others. With newfound determination, Mia returned to the village, carrying within her the dance of the fireflies and a resolve to spread their message of courage and acceptance to all she met.